Hi friends, Vanakkam. Welcome to Conversational Tamil through English lessons. In this video, let's learn to use the word where, and it's not going to take you more than 2 minutes. Okay. Also, watch the video till the end, where I shall wrap up to today's lessons with things to remember. Okay, let's start right away. For where, it is enge. Where is enge? Suppose you are asking a question, where are you? Nee enge irukke. Where are you is nee enge irukke. The answer might be I am here. Naan inge irukken. Naan inge irukken. Here is inge. I am will be naan irukken. I am inside. நான் உள்ள இருக்கேன். நான் உள்ள இருக்கேன். I'm outside. So can you guess? It should be, yes, that's right. நான் வெளியே இருக்கேன். நான் வெளியே இருக்கேன். For outside it is வெளியே. Where is the book? Book எங்க இருக்கு? Book எங்க இருக்கு? Book is on the table. Book table மேல இருக்கு. Book table மேல இருக்கு. Where are you going? நீ எங்க போற? நீ எங்க போற? I am going to office. நான் office போறேன். நான் office போறேன். Now the time is for things to remember. So, where is enge, I, நான், you, நீ, here, இங்கே, there, அங்கே, inside, உள்ளே, outside, வெளியே. Okay? I shall repeat again. Where is enge, I, நான், you, நீ, here, இங்கே, there, அங்கே, inside, உள்ளே, outside, வெளியே. Okay, that's all for today. Let me sign off now. Before you signing off, please subscribe, share, like and comment. மிக்க நன்றி.